How to remove activation lock on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to iCloud.com. On this page, scroll down and tap on the Find My icon as shown. Here, go to your device. And then, tap on Erase. Tap on Next to continue. All content and settings will now be erased. If Find My Network is enabled, you will still be able to locate this iPhone. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove activation lock on any iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.